To learn how to DJ, one of the pieces of equipment that you're going to need is speakers. I forgot to mention this in the episode about the equipment that you need. So yeah, you're going to need some speakers. Obviously you need to hear the music that you're playing. So this is the list of speakers that I recommend. Yeah, the Rocket 5s are really good, but obviously a little bit more on the spenny side. I feel like every house that I go to, where there's a DJ living there, there's always Rocket 5s. So you just want to specify, you can use whatever speakers you want. It doesn't have to be the ones that I recommend. As I always say, you don't have to get exactly what I say, you can get whatever feels right for you. You just need something that you're going to be able to hear the sound through. The reason I recommend these is because obviously the sound quality is a lot better, so you can hear everything a lot better. Mixing is a lot clearer because the highs, the mids and the lows are a lot clearer to hear. When I first started DJing, I didn't have speakers. I just used a portable speaker that had a cable that I could plug into the speaker on my laptop and it worked, but obviously the music that I play is very bassy, so it wasn't the best speakers to use. But yeah, you can literally use any speakers you want. Obviously bear in mind the sound quality might be really bad if you're using cheaper speakers, so if you want to invest in some, those are the recommendations that I recommend. But if not, use any speakers, just obviously bear in mind about the sound quality. This isn't the next episode, by the way, it's just something I forgot to mention that I thought I would do a video on because I forgot and a few people have mentioned it.